We're now going to talk about something called lofting. I think you'll more easily understand the process if you think of a loft as nothing more than a curved extrusion. Now with the extrude, all you did was take a shape and push it in a single direction, either straight forward or straight back. A loft, on the other hand, allows you to take that same shape and have it travel along a path, kind of like the way a train would follow a track. Being able to do that makes the lofting command an unbelievably powerful modeling tool. Now to perform a loft, you need two things: a shape, like a circle or a rectangle, and a path, basically a line for that shape to travel along. It'll be the shape traveling along the path that'll create your 3D object. Now what makes lofting such a great modeling tool is its flexibility. You can use nested shapes, you can place multiple shapes along the same path, and to top it all off, you can even animate what you're doing, which really opens the doors to what you can make. Let's look a little closer at the process. The loft command can be found under the Standard Primitives area in the command panel. We'll go under Standard Primitives, and from here choose Compound Objects. Now, the loft button you can see has been grayed out, and here's the reason why. You've yet to indicate to Max just exactly what you'll be working on. So you, in essence, have to pick either the shape or the path at this point in time. Let's make sure this is clear. We have a shape traveling down a path. In our example on the screen, we'll use the yellow arc as our track, or our path, in other words. We'll then use the ellipse as the shape that'll travel along that track. Now, my suggestion would be to always select the path first. It just avoids any confusion down the road. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll click on the yellow arc, and you can now see the loft button is available. Click on it. Now, at this point in time, you've pretty much reached a fork in the road. Max is now asking you to answer a specific question. Look in the creation method area. You now have to pick on either the Get Path or the Get Shape button. Now, if you think about it, we've already gotten the path. What we have to do is to now get the shape. So click on Get Shape, and now carefully, using any viewport, click directly on the ellipse. Voila! So you can see just how flexible the command is. Now in our next video, I'd like to talk a little bit about a couple specific issues and a problem area or two that you need to be aware of when performing the loft. Let's take a look at that.